They don't know the grind, tryna change your life. Work all day, school all night. Bag the degree, you gon' be alright.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. If you're into anything cook with me, clean with me, mommy motivation, day in the life, stuff like that, I'm your girl. So hit that subscribe button. Perfect. Today is a cleaning video. I don't know what happened, but I'm gonna show y'all. Originally, I was just only supposed to be cleaning out the refrigerator as its own video, but then there was a tornado in the kitchen. So we'll start here. I am embarrassed to show you guys the amount of food that needs to be discarded, but yeah, that shelf needs to be cleaned. The whole fridge has got to be cleaned out, including the drawer. There was a spill. Okay, I need to change the filter. We gotta clean over here. It's not bad. I'm currently making coffee. I'm gonna use Riley as a dishwashing liquid today. Yeah, gotta clean off the counter. Stop. Those dishes are clean right there. This is not. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Gotta get this counter clean, dishes clean, stuff put away, table. And over here, not bad over here, just gotta straighten it out. So yeah, if you guys are into the clean with me, stay tuned, because it's time to clean. It's time to start cleaning up, y'all. Y'all know we gotta start with the music. I like to start cleaning on the dining room table just in case there's any dishes or anything like that that I may need to get into the sink with everything else. Usually, I would recommend you guys sweep the floor after you're done cleaning everything. But let me tell y'all, my floor was crunchy, so we had to sweep it before because I was going crazy stepping on chips and crumbs. Before I can wash the dishes, I have to put away the dishes in the dishwasher and on the countertop so that I can have some place to put the new clean dishes. Majority of the time I do wash the dishes by hand, but this time I decided to use the dishwasher, especially since I knew I was about to be cleaning out the fridge and there was a ton of dishes in there to be washed. Y'all, I did not know that you could take that drawer out. Y'all just learned that with me, but I have cleaned all of those drawers and shelves. That's clean. So I'm about to start loading up this part of the refrigerator, and then I'm gonna clean the drawer back out. Oh wait.
Dang, you up. Alright, there I go.
You ain't gonna be that low.
Yeah, I had to stoop down.
I'm cleaning out the deep fryer, and first I have to start by pouring all that oil out. I decided to pour it into a bag and then put that bag in the trash can so that it wouldn't leak everywhere. Then I'm gonna go ahead and clean off the stove, countertops, and the microwave.
We can take it slow. Stay up till the morning and just take in this moment.
Here you see me cleaning out the pieces of the refrigerator. I have no idea why I didn't finish the dishes first, but you know, whatever.
Used to tell me we were pieces of each other. I could never be anything without you, love. I really hate to see if we could seem to break you down, but I'm fine. Yeah, boy, I didn't need all of these strings to carry. Just couldn't believe a life alone was ordinary. What I could achieve, could have gone much higher all this time. We can take it slow. Stay up till the morning and just take in this moment. We can take it slow. Stay up till the morning and just take in this moment. You don't give me time, you just waste my time. I don't pay no mind, no. You just waste my time. I don't pay no mind, no. Things are speeding up. I'm dizzy from the rain of blessings. Probably in my car. Now looking back and sure ain't stressing. Finally opened up. Screaming world and I'm the navigator. Yeah, take a hot left, feeling so right. Got no problems, but you won't mind. Case for providing and I'm gonna story. Go and get on, it's been too long. Ain't wrong, no I ain't wrong. Just fall back up into that faded glory. Feel it on my own, feel it on my own, chilling on my own. Trying on my own, crying on my own. Loving on my own. We can take it slow. Stay up till the morning and just take in this moment.
Now we're gonna get majority of the dishes dried and put away so that the countertop doesn't look a scary mess.
Take it slow. Stay up till the morning and just take in this moment. You don't give me time, you just waste my time. I don't pay no mind, no. You don't give me time, you just waste my time. I don't pay no mind, no.
As always, I'm mopping the floor with boiling water. I'm going to be using Fabuloso and a little bit of bleach to get the floors very sanitized and smelling good.
I don't pay no mind now. I feel like a connection when you touch my body. I know you are something, and I can't ignore it. Nothing told me if I wanna go to the beach, but it will be better if you come things are better. We get around late in the sun, you on my side. That's what I need. That's what I need. Things are better. We get around late in the sun, you on my side. That's what I need. That's what I need. I love that you look so much better with me. I'm looking forward to more days like this. I love that you look so much better with me. I'm looking forward to more days like this.
We're done. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Don't let me go. We're done. We're finally done. It took the entire day, but let me show you guys the completed kitchen and refrigerator. So of course you guys saw me clean the table off earlier. I also baked an apple pie. Yes, the mop is still wet because I just mopped right now. Counter, stove, microwave, all good, fresh, clean, shiny, sanitized. Counters, yes, dishes. This is still in here because I need some oven cleaner. So we're just gonna let that soak in the Dawn for right now, and then I'm gonna get to scrubbing a little bit later, but I am tired and my back hurts. This was not supposed to take the whole day. Then we've got the clean refrigerator. I did not wipe down the outside yet, so you guys just pretend like I did, but pow. Everything is clean, everything is organized. I am out of breath. The drawer is clean and organized. And yeah, super duper clean kitchen. I truly hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to continue the journey with me. I love you guys so much. Bye.
You done been in school all day, work all night, tryna pay them bills and buy things you like. Do it for them kids, tryna change